everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Audrey and I have worked in Sephora stores for over a year now as an employee and now as a vendor. And today I'm going to show you which skincare products you should buy during the Sephora holiday savings event. So let's get started. I'm going to start off this recommendation video with a really good value set that includes one of my absolute favorite serums. It is the Herbivore Moment to Reflect Serum Duo. So this set includes Herbivore's Bakuchiol Serum, which is a retinol alternative that gives you all of the benefits of retinol, like smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, without any of the harsh effects that retinol can give, like sun sensitivity, peeling, irritation, and so on. So this serum also contains a PHA, which is a light chemical exfoliant that's really going to help draw out impurities and help resurface the skin. It also has tremella mushroom, which is extremely hydrating. This serum is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin and works so well at smoothing. This set also contains Herbivore's Cloud Jelly, which is a vegan collagen and tremella plumping hydration serum. Like I said, tremella mushroom is super hydrating. It can hold up to 500 times its weight in water, So with this kit, your skin is going to be firm, tight, smooth, plump, and hydrated. This is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So this is a $102 value for only $64, and here are the prices with your discounts. Alternatively, if you are a retinol stan and you just really want to see a super intense effect with retinol, this retinol set from Sunday Riley is such a good deal. It includes minis of the extremely popular lactic acid treatment Good Genes and the Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. If you are looking for an all-in-one product that helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles, helps with dark spots and hyperpigmentation, cleans out your pores and helps make them smaller, then Good Genes will do it all, girl. To exfoliate, clear blemishes, and smooth, purified lactic acid is used. To help with those dark spots and discoloration, licorice and lemongrass are used. And to help soothe, prickly pear extract is used. The Luna Retinol Oil focuses mainly on fine lines and pores and evening out skin redness. So this oil uses a retinoid ester, which is super stable, making it more gentle than a traditional retinol. This ester helps to smooth fine lines and wrinkles and really improve skin elasticity. It also has a botanical complex of blue tansy and German chamomile that really help to rid your skin of its surface redness. Cold pressed chia and blackberry seed oils also aid in smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles while at the same time keeping your skin nourished. After using this kit, your skin is going to be luminous, smooth, and bright. I remember asking our Sephora skincare specialist if she could choose one skincare item in the entire store, which one would she choose, and she chose Good Genes because she said it's an all-in-one product that does all of the good things that we want and none of the bad things. So it is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free, and it's good for all skin types, including sensitive. This is a $103 value, retailing for $72, and here are the prices with your discounts. You guys, I am absolutely obsessed with Glow Recipes Watermelon line, and they came out with this amazing set. It includes a full size of my favorite toner of all time, and also minis of the Niacinamide Dewdrops and the Hyaluronic Clay Facial. This set is all about clearing and minimizing your pores, and it actually works, you guys. Okay, so this toner has PHA and BHAs, which are really light chemical exfoliants. They're gonna dig down really deep into your pores and clean them all out. Once they're cleaned out, it allows them to close and appear smaller. So watermelon hydrates, and it also delivers essential vitamins and amino acids, which is really gonna in turn help to smooth your skin out. Cactus water is used to help really seal in your moisture. If you think about a cactus like in Arizona or something, it really is good at retaining water. The dewdrops consist of a lightweight gel that gives you instant radiance and helps with hyperpigmentation and dark spots over time with the use of niacinamide. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is going to keep you super moisturized throughout the entire day. The facial mask uses a non-drying hyaluronic clay that's actually super hydrating, and it really just helps you to clear your pores of gunk. Your skin gets exfoliated and brighter with the use of watermelon enzymes. And this too has BHAs and PHA, which are going to help exfoliate. After you use this set, your pores will have never looked better. These products are clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and good for all skin types, including sensitive. This is a $68 value, retailing for $49, and here are the prices with your discounts. Youth to the People has released their holiday set, and it sure as hell did not disappoint. This set comes with 6 minis of their top-selling skincare essentials to help you create a clean, step-by-step skincare routine. It includes the TikTok famous Kale and Green Tea Superfood Cleanser, which is really good at keeping your skin squeaky clean without over drying your face. The 15% vitamin C and clean caffeine facial serum, which I freaking love. It helps to brighten your skin and depuff your face. The Superfood Air Whipped Moisture Cream, which really feels light and airy while still being able to deliver that intense hydration. The Superberry Hydrate and Glow Facial Oil to help deliver antioxidants, a radiant complexion, and hydration. The Dream Eye Cream, which really focuses on firming and hydrating the delicate under eye skin while at the same time helping to firm fine lines and wrinkles. The Resurfacing Energy Facial, which kind of mimics a microdermabrasion facial because it has these physical micro exfoliants like bamboo, pineapple, and papaya enzymes that really help slough off dead skin cells. It also has Yerba Mate, which helps bring your radiance back. This is such a cool gift because I feel like the packaging is super easy to read, even for beginners, and it's an entire multi-step skincare routine that's from a really good company at a really good price. This is valued at $76, retailing for $55, and here are the prices with your discounts. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. If you want to focus mainly on exfoliating, this Paulas Choice Exfoliating Duo is going to be perfect for you. It comes with full sizes of the liquid exfoliant and the Allure award-winning exfoliating peel. The liquid exfoliant is okay for daily use, and it contains a 2% BHA, specifically salicylic acid, which helps to slough off dead skin cells, clear out pores, and help smooth fine lines and wrinkles. I have been loving this, but I will recommend you stay extremely hydrated while using this because salicylic acid, it can be drying, but other than that, I love this product. The exfoliating peel has a super high concentration of AHAs at 25% to help exfoliate dead skin cells and take your skin from rough and crepey to smooth and radiant. It also has 2% BHA to help clear out your pores. This is a 10-minute professional grade at-home facial that is extremely highly rated. It's really a must-try. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. This has a value of $68.50, retailing for $51, and here are the prices with your discounts. This next item smells freaking amazing. Might I say better than Bum Bum Cream. It is the Ouai St. Bart's Scalp and Body Scrub. Holy crap, you guys. This literally smells like a slice of heaven. I'm not kidding you. It has notes of dragon fruit, Baltic amber, tuberose, and orange blossom. This is a sugar scrub meant for the scalp and body. It has medium-sized, coarse sugar grains that help to exfoliate and help with microcirculation. It also has a probiotic blend and coconut oil that help to really nourish, moisturize, and sustain the skin's microbiome. So it starts to like lather once it's worked into the skin or the scalp, which gives you this feeling of like a deep cleanse. This is a limited edition scent, which you literally cannot miss out on. Like, please don't miss out on this. It smells so good. It does retail for $38, which I do think is a little bit spendy, but I saw someone in the reviews say a little bit of luxury goes a long way during a pandemic, and I felt that. Plus, you're getting a discount, so treat yourself, girl. This is vegan and cruelty-free. This next item has been the most effective at treating my maskne scarring. It is the Paulas Choice Clinical Niacinamide Treatment. This stuff is amazing, you guys, because it combines the first ever 20% niacinamide and vitamin C complex that really helps to brighten your overall complexion and help with texture and really unclog super clogged and hard pores. It has acetylglucosamine, which helps to reverse sun damage and signs of aging by brightening up your complexion, helping to gently exfoliate, and really increase the skin's water content. You guys, I don't think I'll ever stop using this. It's amazing. It is cruelty-free and gluten-free. This retails for $48, and here are the prices with your discounts. This next one is an up-and-coming skincare tool. They are the Sephora Collection Metal Facial Cooling Globes. The benefits of these globes include depuffing, cooling, soothing, and relaxation. You just pop those puppies in the fridge for like 15 minutes, and then you just roll them all over your face, post-serum pre-moisturizer, and then you just kind of watch the puffiness like disappear. It also helps with some redness reduction if your face tends to like hold heat. I personally feel like it's a really nice gift because it kind of feels like one of those luxury items that you never really considered buying for yourself, but you're really gonna appreciate after like a long day's work. The best part about this is that during the sale, everybody gets 30% off of Sephora Collection, making these only $23.80, you guys. I have been using this Biossance squalane and vitamin C rose oil for over a year now, and I love it, you guys. She is expensive, okay? Making this the perfect time to mention it. It is a lightweight oil that mainly brightens, firms, and hydrates. Personally, I feel like if any single one of my skincare products makes me look less dull and more radiant, it's this one. They use a stable form of vitamin C that helps to brighten the skin and help with elasticity. Squalane helps to weightlessly lock in the moisture. The Chios crystal oil helps to firm your skin and helps to keep you looking young. And of course, the rose oil helps to improve your radiance. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty free. This is $72, and here are the prices with your discounts, which is still a wee bit expensive, but trust me, go read the reviews, it's amazing. Okay, so this next one is technically half makeup, half skincare. It is the Saie Slip Tint Dewy Tinted Moisturizer. It has SPF 35 to protect your skin from the sun and 14 beautiful shades that kind of adjust to various skin tones. The formula is very lightweight, dewy, and hydrating. I've been using it every day, not today because I'm on camera, but I've been using it every single day under my mask, just a light coverage with some SPF. If you are looking for a little bit of coverage, what I usually tend to recommend that people do in stores is to use this tinted moisturizer and then just pair it with a concealer where you need it. So one of the hidden gems is the skincare. It has licorice to help with discoloration after you spent the day in the sun. It keeps your skin really moisturized with jojoba esters. Sweet pea and hyaluronic acid really work together to keep your skin nice and moisturized. And argan oil is what's used to really give you that radiant, dewy glow. This is clean, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and organic. This retails for $32, and here are the prices with your discounts. This next one is a body scrub that I am sure you've heard of. It is the First Day Beauty KP Bump Eraser. This is an amazing scrub that helps to visibly reduce KP, keratosis pilaris, those little red bumps that I and many others get on the arms or the legs sometimes. So this is kind of like an all-in-one chemical peel and microdermabrasion because it uses glycolic acid and lactic acid to gently chemically exfoliate, and it uses pumice buffing beads to physically exfoliate. This results in smooth exfoliated skin. You can also use this on your legs if you have that strawberry type skin, those little red dots, and it really works. It's amazing. It's amazing. The reviews just out of this world. I would recommend leaving it on in the shower while you do all your other business, washing your hair and stuff, for at least 5 minutes, so the chemicals can really just get down deep in there and kind of sit for a sec. This is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. This retails for $28, and here are the prices with your discounts. This gift set is great for someone who has experienced a loss of firmness and elasticity in their skin, or for someone who is looking to prevent that. It is the Caudalie Ultimate Firming Set. So Caudalie has partnered with Harvard University to create this anti-aging patent that combines resveratrol, 2 different sizes of hyaluronic acid, and a vegan collagen alternative. This patent is clinically proven to be 2 times more effective at firming and lifting than retinol. So if you have been sensitive to retinol in the past, this might be a great alternative for you. It does have a scent of chamomile and basil, which I think it smells really good, but if you don't like fragrance or you're sensitive to it, this might not be for you. The same patent is used in the firming and depuffing eye gel cream and the hydrating moisturizer. So you're getting a full-size firming serum, and then you're getting minis of the eye cream and the moisturizer. The serum retails for $79, which means you're getting the other 2 for free. And on top of that, here are the prices with your discounts. This is clean and vegan. I got a sample size of this next one from my friend who works for Sunday Riley because I was telling her how I was experiencing maskne, and girl, the Sunday Riley UFO facial oil is amazing. It's okay for use on all skin types, but it is marketed towards more oily and acne-prone skin. This medicated dry oil uses 1.5% salicylic acid to help treat and prevent your acne, clear out blackheads, and help smooth your skin by helping with fine lines and wrinkles. It is a dry oil and absorbs super quickly into the skin, so you're not sitting there like an oil pig for too long. Clear skin is achieved with tea tree oil and black cumin seed oil. Hexyl resorcinol and licorice are natural ingredients to help to brighten the skin. So like I said before, salicylic acid is known to be drying, so just make sure that you're super moisturized while using this product. This product is formulated with milk thistle and cucumber seed oil to help counteract those drying effects. I personally didn't experience drying with this product. With the 2% BHA from Paulas Choice, I did. So just kind of maybe it's the 0.5% difference, or maybe it's just the product because it has these anti-drying ingredients in it. And lastly, it uses neroli and chamomile to help calm your stressed acne-prone skin. Even though I don't have acne-prone skin, I will be buying this in full size because it's so nice to have on hand during a breakout. This product is cruelty-free. It retails for $80, but here are the prices with your discounts. Make sure to check out my other Sephora holiday sale recommendation video. It is so great. Lots of great gift sets included in that one. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time.